Hey everyone, we're going to show you how to make a starburst bracelet using some pink and blue and purple colors. This is what it looks like. As you can see, it's really pretty. Okay, so the colors we've chosen are blue, sky blue, purple, and pink. We have a hook, a clip, and this is the way you need to have your loom set up. Okay, so let's get started.
You're gonna get your dark blue and put it to diagonally across on your left, and then just all the way down to the end of the loom. Now when you get to the end, you're going to put one last on and then put it to your right or to the middle pin. And you're not going to use those two at the end. And you're going to put it now to the right across and then just to the end again. So now you're going to put it again to the middle pin, and you're not going to use those two pins. So now you have to push down all your rubber bands because we're going to put more layers on.
Okay, so for this next part, you're going to be making a star. We're going to take our light pink, starting in the middle, going to the top right, and we're just going to work our way around clockwise. You should push it down so that you have it in the right order.
Next we're going to do the blue. So put it or skip a pin and then do the same thing. Work clockwise.
And this is what it should look like after you've done two colors. So we're going to do one more color. Same thing. And then we're just going to repeat this color pattern going all the way to the top.
Okay, so you're going to put on your last rubber band and then grab an outer colored rubber band and you're going to make a cap band. Put it into an 8 and put it back on itself and then put it to the top peg. And then you're just going to put them on all the middles of the starbursts.
So this is the middle of a star. You would skip this next one, go to this one. Push it down. So after you put on your last one, you're going to turn the loom around. Okay, so we're going to start our hooking now. We're going to be moving in a counterclockwise direction instead of clockwise this time. So let's get started.
So you pull the cap band back and then get the purple and then put it forward onto its peg. And you're going to work counterclockwise. So get this rubber band and put it onto the peg that it's on. And you're going to do the same thing for this one.
And it gets easier as you go around because you can find the right band because this part gets opened. So you just go to the side and you hook it and go up. So this is what the first one should look like after you're done. You're going to do the same thing. I'm going to hook this one up to the center of the next flower and push the cap band back. Go this way. And then work your way around.
So when you get to the end, you're going to finish it up and then go to the beginning of the loom. And you're going to push back the cap band and then grab the upper left rubber band and put it onto the peg that it's on. And just keep on going forward to the end of the loom.
So you're going to have to go through all of these bands to grab the bottom one and pull it up.
So when you get to the end of your loom, you're going to do one last rubber band and then get the one that goes to the middle and put it there. And then you're going to go to the beginning of your loom and do the same thing on the other side. So now you're putting the last one on to the middle, and then we're going to finish up the bracelet. So you scrunch up all the rubber bands to the top of the peg, and then you put your hook down the peg, and then you're going to grab a rubber band that's the color of the outer layer, and then you're going to push it or pull it back up, and then hook that one that you have on, and then put it to the thicker layer. Now you can take off your bracelet.
So this is what the bracelet looks like. It's very cute. It's one of our favorite ones. So it's too short for a wrist. So if you're only using one loom, you have to do an extension. So you can refer to our extension video on how to do that. It's basically the same thing for every bracelet that you do an extension for. So you can take a look at that. And that's about it. So we've extended the bracelet, and that's it. You're done with your Starburst bracelet.